in Malibu are blowing so hard today. It reminds me of the winds when I used to be in hurricanes in Florida. They're blowing so hard. We've got huge trees. It woke me up in the middle of the night with the doors rattling inside the house and all the windows were shut. This is just unbelievable. Hey, Smiley. And Starfire is all hunkered down in the... Look at that tree over there. Big trees. This is what happens during fire season. The winds dry out all the trees. And... Oops, I just slipped. Hey, Starfire. Hey, pretty. Starfire's hunkered down there. Hey, pretty boy. I know, it's windy. We have to be really careful. Because if there's a spark, it just goes like wildfires when it does.